Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation is crucial if you'd like to download the app from a different source than the Google Play Store. So for example from your browser. All you have to do is to enter the settings. Here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security and privacy. Scroll down again and find installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and then tap on the switcher next to it. So I'll pick Chrome. Let's pretend I'd like to download something from Chrome. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on Allowed if you're ready to do that, and as you can see, the Chrome is turned on right now, which means that it is allowed to install some content. Of course, you can do it with the other apps. I mean, the process is the same. And you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switch again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.